Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you want to enable Gemini on your phone, so how you're going to do it, watch this video till the end and you will find out. So guys, if I say, "Hey Google," as you can see, Google Assistant has been activated. And if I want to switch to Gemini, how I'm going to do it. So all you need to do is to open your Google application on your device. The next thing you need to do is to tap on your profile. Once you tap on your profile, you need to scroll down where you will find settings. Tap on settings and here Gemini. Once you tap on Gemini, so it will ask you that switch to Gemini from Google Assistant. So if you want to switch, just tap on switch and then you need to tap on use Gemini. So once you tap on use Gemini, if I say now again, "Hey Google," as you can see, now Gemini has been activated on my phone. So guys, this is how you can enable Gemini on your Android smartphone. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.